All right, this is a 52 Chevy 3100. Truck is just a really nice build. Pretty much everything you want in one of these Patina style truck drivers. This is a original frame. It's got a Mustang 2 front end. Does have power steering, power brakes. Really done nice. Got a 5.3 LS engine, and it's been gone through new internals, springs, gaskets, lifters, cam. Got a nice tune on it. Got a 4L70 trans. So you got, that's built. It's got a S10 Posi rear end. It's got dolphin gauges. Got an air conditioning kit, low car shifter, all new tinted glass. I do know that the fuel gauge works, but it reads in reverse. When it's on E, it's full. So I'm sure some wires could be switched to get that to read differently. Floors are real nice. Seat's been reupholstered. As far as the metal goes, it's solid. Cab corners. The guy wanted to paint it, he can straighten it out and put a paint job on it. I really like the Patina look myself. Take a look under the hood. Like I said, it's got a 5.3, got a mild cam in it. Fires up good, runs down the road fantastic. All signals work, no wipers, but it does have all your signals, all new wiring. Good tread on the tires. It has these chrome reverse wheels. They do have some pitting on them. I was gonna take them off and blast them and paint them, but I'm not gonna get to that, I don't think. Little simple little wood pour. Fuel tanks in the back under the bed. Just a really cool little build, man. Got the nice motor and transmission combo. There you go.